How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So we're going to be whistling with just our lips today, no hands. Again, this is a super chill video, so if you can't whistle, don't get super upset. Just keep trying, keep practicing, and you will get it. And I'll give you guys some tips as we whistle throughout the vid. Vid will be about 5 minutes long. So let's get started. We'll whistle for 10 seconds, then we'll take a break. So. Okay, that's 10 seconds. Wow, Sparky's just looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? Yeah, we'll take a little bit of break. So the key for whistling is tongue position and lip position. Tongue position, this is how my tongue is. My tongue is pushing against these teeth. My lip position is just like this. That's it. Super easy, super simple. Yeah, this is my 11th video of the day. It's only 2:50 right now, so wife will be home in 2.5 hours. That gives me time to make quite a few more videos. Goal today would be nice to get 20 videos. I'm currently again on number 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yeah, this is number 11. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully can get some more vids done. So we'll do another 10 seconds. Look at Sparky just staring at me. Look at it. It's like, what the heck are you doing? Why are you doing that? It's for a video, Sparky. That's why. But yeah, pretty decent day. Today's shaping up to be a pretty decent day. I did have a dentist appointment today at 1 o'clock. I thought they were going to fix a cavity. I guess I don't actually have a cavity. They were just watching the tooth. So instead of getting a cavity done today, it was just a checkup, which I'm super duper happy about. Not only was it cheaper, it was only $40 because my benefits covered a shit ton of it. Then, and it only took an hour. I was home in an hour. So that's really sweet. Super excited about that. So pretty good day so far. I was kind of stressing that dental appointment. I did not want to go to it, but guess it wasn't as bad as I thought. So we'll do another 10 seconds. Sir, 2 more sets and we're done. But yeah, I don't know if I'll actually make 20 vids. I don't know. A part of me really wants to go super hard on videos for like the next month or so and just be done with them for the whole year. But then a part of me wants to go maybe a little bit slower, enjoy my days, and I don't know. Like I could go super hardcore, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I could be making like 20 videos, and then, Friday and Saturday, I could be making 20 vids, and then Sunday, I could be making like 30 vids. And then during the week, I could be making like 12 to 15. Like I could go super hardcore on them and do that. Or I could just go easy, do 6 to 9 per day and just take a little bit longer to finish my vids. I don't know. We'll have to do some thinking. Let's do another 10 seconds. Now look at Sparky. Now she's up. She's like, what the heck? Look how cute she is. A little cutie in your pajamas. Okay. But yeah, I kind of want to make some craft dinner right now. I was going to have that for supper, but I'm kind of feeling that right now. It is 3 o'clock, so I guess it could be like a late lunch. I didn't have lunch today, so. So yeah, I'll probably make at least another video. Put me at 12 vids for the day, at least. I don't know. Maybe I'll make one more and just call her a day. I mean, it's already 12 videos. Like, I don't want to go super duper intense on this. Kate will do another 10 seconds. end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.